Hey guys, what's going on? Bcraig here with Bcraigtrades. I actually just got done teaching one of my courses, so I'm a little bit mentally drained. So if I'm making mistakes or fumble over my words, just bear with me. But I actually just wanted to go over a trade recap of this Microsoft trade I had. It's a perfect trade for me to go over with you guys, just because it actually formed a perfect wedge, and I was actually able to stay in the trade and not get out of it because I knew that what was about to set up for it, and I was able to find support and resistance in this trade and be able to be profitable. But as always, the links to the Discord is in the description, and I'll pin the first comment. I do have some people also in my comments talking about, well, we don't know if you really made those trades. So guess what? Here are my feels. Not the biggest day today, but we came back green. I really messed up with the Fubo calls. The trades didn't pan out. It was kind of just trading downwards all day. You can see my fills right here. I made 448 on Microsoft, 199 on DDD, and then negative 458 on Fubo. All good for $189 in profit. As you can see, this is my real account. It doesn't say paper trading across or anything. This is my real trading account. But yeah, guys, so there's that. But so I just want to show you this Microsoft trade. So with this Microsoft trade, I actually had gotten just about at just about 9:45ish, right on this candle, this 15-minute candle here, and you see it ran up right here. So once it was running up, I didn't have the support, the resistance marked right here yet, just because Microsoft has never been to that level yet. So I wasn't too sure about where the resistance was. But after I saw the second candle, I knew that okay, there's resistance there, and I still hung into the trade. So I got in here. I stayed in the trade. I did bought a few down here, which is super risky, but I, still went with it. Did bought down here, and as you can see, throughout the whole day, and today was a Fed day too. So the market, once we kind of got close to that time, the market volume kind of dropped out in the market. You can see the volume right here, really high in the morning. That kind of drops out and it picks back up in the day. But we kind of hung out in that range right here. So once we got to about right here, so it's about 1 o'clock. I was able to see that, hey, this is, an upwards ascending wedge right here. It's a wedge forming right here, and is just support going on bouncing off this line. I'm sorry, like I said, I'm gonna be fumbling over my words sometimes, but there was support right down here, and when I saw that, I knew that okay, this Microsoft is probably gearing up to go ahead and form a wedge and then actually break out. There was some pretty good flow coming into it, and once we got about here, so this had to be about let's see, that's 4-3, about 2:30ish. The flow and the volume started to come back to the market. Powell wasn't saying anything too risky or too scary to scare the markets. So QQQ started pick back up, SPY picked back up, and once we were able to break past this high, and as you can see, we broke past this high around 2:30ish. We didn't touch that high or really break through or hit it again really since 10 o'clock. We hit it once at 10 o'clock, and then again right around 12ish. We couldn't break it at all. And right around this time right here, I was actually a little bit nervous because I thought that we actually might double top and fall back down. We kind of, once these three candles came down here, I was a little bit nervous, but I stuck in with the trade. I wasn't down too much. I maybe was down just about $150 right here or so. So it wasn't down too much percentage wise in the trade or dollar amount. So once I hung into the trade, we were able to break out. Once we got those highs, I had the 265 calls. Once we got past 265, my calls are actually able to break and get to in the money. Once we were in the money, I started scaling out some of my trades. I scaled out some. I got in, my average was $146 a contract. I was able to scale out some at 174, and then some more at 184, and then some at 187, and then I think it stopped out like at 190ish. And then but scaling out my trades is a strategy I like to practice and work on because this protects me, make sure I lock in some profits. And as you can see, after hours, the stock is actually still running up here. So tomorrow, if it shows some momentum into the open, this is be another play. I've been trading Microsoft for the past couple of sessions now. As you can see, if you pull it out to the 5-day, Microsoft has been reaching new highs and kind of trading pretty well here. So, if a stock trading well, easy trade, I'm just, it's going to keep knocking it out. But I just wanted to show you guys it's ascending, a triangle to a wedge, and you see how it just broke out higher. Hit the resistance right here, hit again right there, and a couple times right here also. And then once it kept getting, it was just getting squeezed, but I think wedge out and boom, broke out there and was able to After it broke past this resistance, that resistance became support, as you can see right in there, and it was able to bounce off that support and go to higher highs. So that's all I wanted to recap this trade. It's a quick little video for you guys. I told the Discord group I was going to put this out for them too, so you can kind of get used to start seeing some of these patterns that form. It takes a while for you to kind of get used to seeing them, but after a while, just spending hours on charts throughout the day and recapping all your trades, you kind of get used to seeing things like this. But that's about it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments, go ahead and leave that. My next video will be a video about me trading into Loom, and then after that, I'm going to put out a Trading6 platform review, a review of the platform that I've been using so far. But go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. Give it a thumbs up. Really helps out with the algorithm. And thanks for watching.